on the radio.
Cooking with Lunix. Cooking with Lunix.
Man.
But anyways, this is my first Animal Kingdom video. Today, I'll be showing y'all how to get the most research points in the new space up. But I will be showing y'all how to get the most research points in the new space update.
Yes, you will.
I'll see y'all there. So I'm now
Go to the starter vines and start.
I'm starting back. But what you're gonna want is a flashlight, a pickaxe, or anything that can mine. And I would recommend it
don't push me.
with a grappler. But to get to this new space area, you wanna go into mines. When you get into mines,
Wait for me.
When you get into mines,
Where you go?
Whenever you go, you just want to go straight. And you can see it right. Stop hitting me!
You're leaving me
But
behind.
if you see that black spot, then you know you're in the right spot.
Wait.
You're going to want to drop down here. You can mine all the research points there if you want, but you're going to want to find one that has a blue light, like this.
Yes, you are.
And
No.
you're going to want to get up here.
Where are you?
Where'd you go?
Where did Bo go?
I'm up here.
That's a bad hop.
What is little bug trying to do?
You just woke up from a dream, you said? Oh wait, can I hit this?
And you want to go over here, and there's this water area. Be careful on some of these, because some of them fall. I'll tell you what ones do fall. That one falls. So you want to get on these crosser pieces.
Wait, I need to know this, because I usually... This one doesn't fall, you said?
This one?
Yo, you lied. How?
I hate to tell you this, but none of them fell. You fell.
Yeah, I know. No, it did fall.
I don't see one of them that fell.
On my screen it did.
Well, if it falls on your screen, then it's supposed to fall on my screen.
Clearly there's a glitch there. I wish I got footage because it fell on my screen. So you should have bought me a grapple hook.
Well, you didn't ask for one.
Because you said you were going broke and I didn't want to make you mad.
If it's for important reasons, I'm buying one for you.
Come on. Push.
Jump on these wires. Jump on these wires.
I can't miss this jump here. Ooh. And you hit me. Great job. Ooh, I'm like that. But you hit me off.
I can't hit you off.
Yes, you did. You hit me and my screen went red. Oh.
Little bro's not him.
No! This is all your fault for not getting me a hook shot.
Well, it's all your fault for not asking for one.
Because you said you couldn't afford anything.
I don't care.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Drop your
I'm
pickaxe.
playing like a weed. What?
Drop your pickaxe.
Well, now what am I supposed to do? Just go there for no reason?
See?
daily hasn't reset yet, like, bro.
But whenever you pass this area, you want to go this way, and you should see a giant purple plant. And about every 12 of these you mine, you should get a research point. Yeah, I just got one. Don't be worried if this one takes a while, because it gives you a dang mega plate. For some reason, I got 50 things. And yeah. What I like to do is I like to drop that. That way I can, like, well, I don't care. But if you eat these broccolis, about 4 of them, then there's a spot on the bed in the earth that you can go through, and I'll show you. Yeah, my hook shot is ginormous. You want to go that way?
Where are you?
I'm ginormous, buddy!
Whoa, whoa,
I'm ginormous!
whoa. Whoa. Wait, let me run. You really want to do this?
Oh yeah, whenever you're this big, you can't die to explosives. I don't think. Yeah. I'm invincible. Watch this.
What'd you say you were?
Invincible. I'm never playing this game with you again.